Well, we've reached one of my favorite days of the year, the day where our morning crew gets to share our family tradition of Thanksgiving dinner with you guys at home. And we're gonna kick it off with two casserole recipes made by our producers. We have a green bean casserole and a corn casserole. And there we have our producers joining us, Caden Milner and Gus Brunetti.
Howdy, Tanya.
And Zach Dodge is also joining us this morning in the Weather Center, where he's not forecasting, but
definitely not forecasting.
going to be taste testing this morning.
Sure.
I think you're going to forecast some delicious food, Zach.
I could do that. I mean,
All right, let's go ahead and start off with the green bean casserole. Caden?
Yeah, sure. So green bean casserole is a pretty quintessential recipe for Thanksgiving, but it's also like incredibly easy to make. I mean, really, you just need to get 2 cans of green beans, can of condensed mushroom soup, can of French onions. The recipe that I saw called for cheddar cheese, but honestly, I prefer Velveeta cheese. Got to get that liquid gold. So first you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you place your green beans, your soup in a microwave-safe bowl. Mix them, heat it up in the microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then stir in about half a cup of cheese. Then heat the mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave. Then transfer the green bean mixture in a casserole dish, sprinkle with French fried onions, the remaining cheese, and then throw it into the oven and basically just heat it up till the cheese melts and you begin to brown.
Caden, Zach and I have been chowing down on this while you've been telling us how to make it. I think it's a winner. What do you think, Zach?
I definitely think so. I like green beans, but I traditionally don't like green bean casserole. I think it's just because of the way they're cooked, but I definitely like it. Caden, good job.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, let's go ahead and talk about the corn casserole. Gus?
Well, what can I say, Tanya? Nothing says Thanksgiving like corn, so we brought a lot of it. And you know, just like me, it gets a little cheesy on Thanksgiving too. To pull up the recipe, it's pretty simple. First of all, you get yourself a can of creamed corn, a can of corn. I told you there's a lot of corn. You drain that corn. Get yourself 2 eggs, a stick of melted margarine, and 8 ounces of sour cream. You mix that ooey gooey goodness together, add 1 package of corn muffin mix. You sprinkle a bag of cheddar cheese on top, and you bake that for 15 minutes at 350 degrees.
Gus, this is really good.
It's cornalicious, if I say so myself.
Definitely a lot of corn.
And cheese.
Corn on corn on corn.
Just like the Pilgrims.
Okay. No, this is actually pretty tasty. Okay, so you can't have Thanksgiving without mashed potatoes, and that's one of the recipes we're going to be featuring when we come back later in the show. We'll be right back.